today, we are going to be building this brand using Firefly Boards, Illustrator, Photoshop. We are doing a campaign over the next few weeks called Miss Creative Connections, all about reconnecting an old idea with new technology, right? We've been ghosting our good ideas, and it's time that we go back and rekindle that creative spark. My Miss Creative Connection is an email that I sent myself on September 9th of 2021. There is no body to this email. It is just a header that says Kegger Coffee. And the idea that I had here was, what if there was a coffee brand that wasn't hoity-toity and wasn't like reclaimed wood and like organic beans, and it was just like, it's just coffee. And it had like this like frat party, like house party kind of vibe. And the idea that I want for the photos is this super hard flash paparazzi, we're at a party. And so what I did here is I converted the person to 3D.
Nice.
So right here in Firefly Boards, by selecting a photo, you can choose convert and then image to 3D, and it's gonna pull out the subject and make it into a 3D image. I can just put it here and then I can generate image and show me this photo with the angle of the subject, high intensity flash, retro, at a party, paparazzi style. And then I'm going to sample this artboard here and we're gonna generate. All right, so we'll come here. Let's see the images that we generated. Looking great. I'm gonna go into Photoshop and we're gonna create a little GIF. So let's go ahead, window. I'm gonna go to timeline. We're gonna create a frame animation here. I'll just mask him out on all three, and then we will have a base of the background. Now let's change the timing here to maybe 0.2 seconds. So I'm gonna select all 4 of these frames, and then click plus, but just like click it a whole bunch of times so we can export, and we are going to render it as a video instead of doing a GIF. And here we go.
Oh yeah.
Right?
That's so good.
Let's bring that back into our Firefly Boards, and let's move on to Illustrator, and we are gonna move on to some type. I think that I want it to be super punchy and super bold.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna go to Adobe Color, and the best part is like there's so many different tools. You can kind of play around with all the different versions. This is it, I think. This is a really good palette.
Yeah, ship it.
And so I'm gonna save this into a library that I'm gonna make right now. Wait, that's so fun. Okay, that's gonna be some of our key messaging there. And we're gonna generate just a white tall boy can. Nice. Okay, great. And I think that maybe the vibe is just that it's like slapped on there. We're going to go to Object, Mockup, and Make. Pretty dang good. Let's say on the floor of a party, top-down photo, hard flash, paparazzi, confetti, and red solo cups around it. I'm gonna sample this.
Amazing.
So we got, yes, 100%. Okay, cool.
Sick.
This is really like what we use Firefly Boards for, right? We talk about like using AI in your process and not having it replace, but really act as an assistant. This is what I'm talking about, right? None of this is anything that I would like actually use, but it's stuff that I would show to investors, that I would show to photographers, that I would show to the team that I'm working with. That was my Miss Creative Connection, a quick speed date to see what could have been. You can get started with your creative connection by going to adobe.ly/missconnections. It's gonna have a Firefly board template for you with all the instructions, and you just need to post using Adobe Live and then tagging hashtag Adobe Firefly. And who knows, we might send you something a little special from a secret admirer. Ooh. Bye, everybody.
Bye.